Hello friends, and welcome to our first video this week as we look at quick and easy tips in Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add or remove columns and rows in Excel. My name is Mercy Consolata Keller. Let's get started. So if you want to add a column to your already existing worksheet, you highlight the column. Say you want it to be placed somewhere around here. You come to the Home tab, under Cells, select Insert, and then you scroll down and select Insert Sheet Columns, and you have your column. The other option is you can highlight the column, right click, and then you scroll down and select Insert, and you have a column inserted. The other option is you can highlight a column, come to Insert, select Insert Cells, and you have your column. Now, assuming you don't highlight the column and you want a column to be inserted, you just right click, select Insert, and then choose entire column and say OK, and your column is inserted. And everything that we have just covered here for the column, you can do for the rows. So for a row, for example, you just come to Insert, then select Insert Sheet Rows. Come here, you can right click, Insert. There you have it. And lastly, for this video, I'll be showing you how you can remove columns or rows that you're not interested in. Say you are not interested in using this name column, you highlight it, come to Delete under Cells, then Delete Sheet Columns. Or you select Set Ticket, right click, delete, and it's gone. Lastly, you could use the option of, if the column is not highlighted, you can just right click. Once you do that, you select Delete, gives you the options, entire column, say OK. And there you go. So we don't want this row 2 to exist. We can just come over to delete sheet rows, and it's out. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're posted on new videos as they're released. Thank you and happy learning.